Oh, I'm so excited and nervous to tell you about this. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well. Today I am doing a little bit of a different video because I have been leading up to this announcement for a little bit and I'm super excited about it, and I'm also really nervous because I want you guys to love it. So basically, over the last few years, since I've been doing natural and organic beauty blogging, I have been asked so many questions by you guys about what are the best products? Where can I buy everything from? What does this shade look like? What will this be on my skin? Like sending me pictures and asking about the right skincare that you need. Also asking what colours will look good on you. Just everything to do with natural and organic beauty. And I finally decided to create something which I really hope you will love. So I have created a green beauty routine challenge, and basically it's going to be a 30-day challenge to help you move over to natural and organic beauty, but also let you know everything about skincare, hair care, body care, makeup, everything that you need to know about natural and organic beauty so you can tailor it for you. And not only this, I have a box which I'm doing as well. It's a beauty box. So I'm going to take all these little peanuts out. So basically, these peanuts I'll tell you about in a second, but I have collaborated and asked some absolutely incredible brands to be part of my green beauty box, which I'm so excited about. The green beauty box is basically because you guys all were asking me about different products and what was great, what wasn't, and I really wanted to create something where I could be like, look, these products are all absolutely incredible. They're really, really gonna help you green your beauty routine. So here they are. So I have 5 full-size products in there, and then also a travel size product, and then some testers from some of my absolutely favorite brands. So I thought I would take you through it, and you could see what they are. So the first thing is the Pucker Cleanse Tea, and also their Pucker Glow supplements. Now, basically, I wanted to put something which was for your insides and your inner beauty in, because you'll know that I am obsessed with everything to do with health and wellness as well as outer natural and organic beauty. So it just can't go amiss. You've got to have something in my, well, I have to have something in my beauty box which helps you to glow from the inside out. And what better brand than Pucker? Pucker are absolutely incredible, incredible health and wellness brand. And they are worldwide, and I'm sure you'll know them already. The tea is their Cleanse Tea, which has organic nettle, fennel and peppermint in it. And then also their Glow organic supplements have turmeric, neem and burdock, which is really, really helpful for your skin. So those are the first 2 products in there that I wanted to include, and thank you so much to Pucker for being part of this. And then we'll move on to skincare. Now, the amazing Weleda, if you've ever heard of Weleda, then you'll know that I love them, and they have put in a Evening Primrose Age Revitalizing Concentrate. Now, this is an incredible serum to help revitalize your skin. If you're starting to get any fine lines and wrinkles, this is the thing for you. It's absolutely amazing. It helps to firm your skin up a little bit more, and also help with, like I said, any of the fine lines and wrinkles, and skincare is always an absolutely brilliant place to start. So this is worth £39.50 if you were going to buy this by yourself. So not only do you have the Evening Primrose serum in there, you also have a body oil, which is the Evening Primrose body oil sample, and my absolute favorite, the Weleda Skin Food sample in there as well. So you get to try both of those. And I love that they're sample sizes, so you can throw them in your bag and keep them in there too, because like the Weleda Skin Food is just like absolute hands down a favorite with everybody I know. Also, to go along with the skincare, obviously I love Skin Owl. You'll have seen all of my videos on my Skincare Owl kind of transformation and how they've helped my skin, and I asked Annie would I be able to get some of her Eye Plus serum to be able to put in the box, so you've got something for your skin from Weleda, and then also something for your eyes from Skin Owl, because this is one of their best sellers. So I have a sample of of this for you. This is like a 7ml sample. You only need a tiny, tiny amount of this, so it lasts you really, really well, which is just brilliant. So then I also wanted to include some makeup because I love makeup. This channel's all about makeup. So I'm so excited to tell you about this. So you know I have a love of mascara. I have managed to get you the Inika Long Lash Vegan Mascara for the beauty box to help you discover how amazing Inika really is. If you'll have seen any of my videos from like, I think September time last year, this is when this first launched and it was reformulated, and I tried it and was like, oh my God, this is incredible. And ever since then, if you'll go back through any of my videos, I am always using it, and I have it on today and I just love it so much. And when I approached Inika to see if they would be keen to be part of my beauty box, and they said yes, I was just like, so exciting. So this is also part of your green beauty box. We then have the incredible Jane Iredale. Now you know I'm obsessed with Jane Iredale makeup as well. They're a really high performance makeup brand, and they have included a highlighter pencil in the box too. So on one side you have a pink nude highlight. Oh, hang on. You also get an eyeliner sharpener, which is good. But I've used this before in a load of videos, and you get on one side a pink nude highlighter, which is kind of like this. We all love pink. And then on the other side, you get a cream kind of nudie shimmery highlighter as well. So these can both be used in your eyes or on the brow bone. And then I've also used them here as well to create my own highlight. So they are in the box as well. Moving on to lips. As you know, I love Eye of Horus, and their bio lipstick collection is phenomenal. They have sent 2 different colors. One is Freya, and I can't remember the other, but I'll leave the link down below to it. And basically this is in the box. It's an amazing lipstick. I love it. The color's great. It's so moisturizing, and I'm super excited about that. You'll know I'm obsessed with Tabitha James Cron if you've ever watched any of my videos. Their hair care is absolutely phenomenal. And when I asked them would they be part of my box because they knew I was obsessed with them, they extremely kindly sent over not only their organic citrus travel size hair cleanser for you to try, which is amazing and smells phenomenal. So you get a organic 4-in-1 conditioner in amber rose, a clean shampoo in golden citrus, and a hair oil sample. So you can try this as a hair mask for your hair. So you'll have seen that I think it was last Sunday night, I did a video which was all about using this as part of my Sunday evening routine, and I was telling you how amazing it was. Well, you get to try some. Then last but not least in here, because we also want to think about your body, I have an amazing sample of the Natural Deodorant Clean Deodorant Balm. Now this is a really cute little sample, so you get to test out some new deodorant. I have had great success with this. As you know, from me moving over to natural and organic beauty and natural deodorant, it has been quite the journey. And there has been a lot of times when I've been stinky. However, whenever I use this balm, I just don't smell. So I really wanted for these guys to be part of it as well. So you've got a cute little sample of this, and that is everything in there. So basically that is the box. This is just a sample box that I'm using at the moment, and it's gonna look cute with all the packaging. I'm using cardboard and it's recyclable, and then also these packing peanuts are biodegradable, so basically you can put them in the sink once you get the box and pour water over them and they just disintegrate, which is good because we don't want anything that's not environmentally friendly or lovely. And then I'm also gonna make it look really cute as well. Yeah, they're not available for sale yet. It's gonna be the 10th of July when they go on sale, but I'm also gonna be doing a pre-sale about a week beforehand. So if you want to be part of the pre-sale, because it's a limited number, I don't think I've even got 100 of these boxes because any friends who I've told have already asked for a box. So if you want to be part of the pre-sale, then just click the link below and you can sign up and be the first to know about the pre-sale. And also I'll send you some lovely content as well along the way, so you can see some really cool kind of like blog posts and videos and that sort of thing. So the box is worth $170 US, which is about £130 worth of products. And the 30-day challenge is going to be a mix of videos, blog posts and emails from me giving you amazing advice on how you can green your beauty routine. There's going to be also some amazing makeup tips in there. There's going to be amazing skincare tips. There's going to be like some video interviews. There's going to be loads of stuff in there. So that is worth $97. So I think that's about $267 altogether with the products and all the amazing content that you're going to be getting. But I'm actually just going to be selling everything for $97, just because I really want to be able to help everybody move over to natural and organic beauty. I want you to understand it. I want you to love it. I want you to start talking to your friends about it, so then we can raise the green beauty industry up. Everybody can understand like why green beauty is important and how amazing it is, because you'll get to try these lovely things. So that is why I'm just selling it for $97. I could be crazy, maybe. I have been told a couple of times, but it's just a bit of a mission of mine to get everybody to love natural and organic beauty, and I feel like this is where I can really help. There will be postage and packaging on top if you are outside of the UK, so just bear that in mind, but I think that's standard for everything nowadays with shipping. But yeah, so it's launching the 10th of July. You can get on the pre-sale list. It's a limited number. There are literally not even 100 of these boxes. So yes, if you would like to sign up, then the link is in the description bar below. Also, if you've got any questions about the box, then I would love to know. I will be in the comments. So yeah, just like send me a comment, or you can email me on info@theglowgetter.co. And yeah, I'm so excited. I can't believe it's actually happening. Yeah, I'm just really excited. Yeah, I really hope you're excited as well. And like I said, the link's in the description bar if you want to be part of it and you're interested in the box and getting it and being part of the challenge. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there for tonight, but have a lovely rest of your evening. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you really enjoyed it. Also, I upload 3 times a week, so definitely hit the subscribe button and also hit the notifications button, and I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.